What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Fatso from Killer Clowns from Outer Space. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw a large circle for the nose. We're going to start right at the very top in the middle. Let's go all the way around towards the bottom and then bring that back up towards the top. Now along the side of the nose we're going to draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start on the top left, go all the way around and then bring that in. Let's line that up on the right and do the same thing. Let's go to the center of each eye and draw a small black dot for the pupils. Let's add an oval going around the eyes. Let's start from the inside of the eye and go up towards the top, come down towards the bottom, and just tuck that up along the side of the nose. Let's go back to the inside of the eyes and add a fold for the brow, coming in and bending that up. And they'll add a point along the top of each eye. We'll go up and then down like an upside down V. And it'll fill those points in black. Now just underneath the nose, we're going to draw a large wiggly line for the mouth. Let's start all the way over on the left. We go up, and down, just go all the way across underneath the nose, and go up and out towards the right. Now you want to trace the mouth along the top of the lip, going up towards the cheek. So we'll start underneath the nose. So we go all the way around, go up and out underneath the eye. Now I'm going to curve around the corners of the mouth, come down and then in, and I'll trace the mouth along the bottom. Let's go to the outside of the mouth. Let's add a fold for the jaw. We'll come down and then bend that in. And I'll move to the center, add another curve for the chin, coming down and then up. Let's fold the chin underneath. We're going to start on the left, go all the way around, come in towards the middle, go up and out towards the right, and then just tuck that in. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the mouth. We're going to go up along the top of the brow and just tuck that in. So let's start on the left. Come up in an angle around the eye, and then bend that in. Along the side, let's bend the head, going up and in towards the middle. Connect the top with a curve, coming down and then up. Now you want to draw that mohawk in the center of the head. From these 2 points, we're going to draw a wave. We're going to go out, up, and then out. Let's go to the right and do the same thing. Coming around and just taper up towards the top. Now to close off the top with a series of points. We're going to bend this in, go up, around, and then back up towards the right. Let's place the ears along the top of the head. We start from the top of the brow, bend this up and then out on both sides. Round out the tip of the ear, come down, and then bend that in toward the side of the head. Let's add a fold along the inside of the ear. We go up and bend that out. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Coming around and then back in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to draw a wave. We're going to go all the way around, just underneath the head, and work our way up and in towards the right side. Now I want to add 2 more layers underneath. Let's start back on the left. Just going to draw that same wave. Going all the way around, and then in, and we'll do that one more time. Let's move in, draw the side of the body. We'll start on the left, bend the body, going out, come down, and then bend that in. Let's line that up on the right. Going out, down, and then in. In between the hips, let's add a curve, going up and then down. Then we'll leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side, bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Go to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now we want to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left heel, bend the foot, coming down and then up on the outside. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot and bend this up come down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll curl that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the hips and close off the side of the leg. I'm going to bend this down and then in on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. So we'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now let's move back up to the top and draw on the arms. I'm going to start with the arm on the left holding the ray gun. We're going to start underneath the collar on the left, bend the arm coming down, and then out towards the wrist. Now from here we're going to curl around the thumb. We go up, come down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's place an oval on the outside of the thumb, going all the way out and then back in. I'm going to draw two more ovals, but just tucked up and underneath. Start up here, come around and just pull that up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's curve the bottom of the ray gun. We're going to start from the outside, come in towards the hand, bend that up towards the inside. On the outside, draw a straight line going up, and we'll round out the top, going up and then down towards a point on the right. Let's add the trigger around the index finger, go around and then back in. Let's place the handle underneath the finger and the thumb. Come straight down, go across the bottom, and then pull that up underneath the thumb. Now I'm going to add a little bit more detail to the gun. From these 2 points, step down, going to go out towards a point, and then on the end, add a circle. Let's add a trim on the left side with a straight line. And I'll add a couple circles on the inside, right in the middle. Now I'm going to go back and close off the wrist. From the thumb, bend this around and then out in behind the handle. And then from the bottom, bend the arm coming in and then up towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to line up the inside of the arm all the way over on the right side, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Add a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now let's curl 3 fingers along the bottom. Start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket, step down, go out and then up, and then the third finger going all the way up underneath the collar. And then we're going to separate the cuff with a curve going up and out. Now I want to fill the inside of the body with these large polka dots. Let's start from the outside. We're just going to tuck some up against the edge of the arm, and then along the bottom, and then underneath the collar, and we'll work our way across the body. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Fatso from Clowns from Outer Space. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.